cross multiplication of simultaneous linear equation, chapter number 5. Okay, so first of all I will take all the constant on this side. So I will have ax plus by minus a minus b is equal to 0. Okay, this bracket I took on the left hand side. Or here we have bx minus ay minus a plus b is equal to 0. Okay, so for x, for y, and for constant term. For x, I will not write x, so it is b minus a minus b minus a plus b. Okay, for y, I will not write y. Constants are already written, so coefficient of x, that is a and b. And for the last part, that is constant part, I will write x part as well as y part, but not write the constant part. Okay, so this multiply by this, that is b multiply by minus a plus b minus a multiply by minus a minus b. Okay, y upon minus a minus b multiply by b minus, okay, this multiply by this, minus a minus b multiply by b minus a multiply by minus a plus b is equal to 1 upon, for the constant part, a into a, it is minus a square minus b square. Okay, so x upon, then I will open the brackets, b, then I will open minus n with b, b into a, it is ab, so it will be minus ab minus b square. Okay, b into a, ab minus ab minus plus minus b into b, b square. Now of y, b into a, ab with this minus sign. Okay, okay, we have this part as well. Sorry. So x upon, see, b minus ab minus b square minus, when I will minus becomes plus. Okay, so I just multiply by a multiply by a, it is a square, a multiply by b, it is minus a. This minus becomes plus, so no need of multiplying minus sign. A multiply by a square, a multiply by b, ab is equal to y upon b multiply by a and multiplying minus sign, so it is minus ab, minus become plus, b multiply by b, it is b square. Okay, see, this minus sign and this minus sign, this minus and this minus will become plus, a multiply by a, it is a square, a multiply by b, it is ab. Okay, is equal to 1 upon minus a square minus b square as it is. Okay, so x upon minus ab minus b square minus a square minus plus ab, y upon, see, minus ab plus ab gets cancelled, we have a square plus b square, a square plus b square is equal to 1 upon minus a square minus b square. Over here also plus ab minus ab will get cancelled, so I am having x upon minus b square minus a square, y upon a square plus b square, and 1 upon minus a square minus b square. Okay, now when I will try to write the solution, okay, I have some place over here. So this is compared with this, that is x upon minus b square minus x square is equal to 1 upon minus a square minus b square, sorry, minus b square minus a square it is. So if you see it properly, minus a square minus, this is totally same, so this will get cancelled. So value of x is equal to 1. Okay, but for y, when I will write y upon a square plus b square is equal to 1 upon, see we have minus a square minus b square. If I am taking minus sign common, I will have a square plus b square, so that when I will open the bracket we have minus a square and minus b square. So you can see that a square plus b square, a square plus b square gets cancelled and we have minus sign. So y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is the solution for the 9th question of 5b. Okay, now I will start with the 10th question. Okay, all the constants are already over this side, so I directly draw the T diagram for x, for y and for constant. For x I will not write x, so 2, 1, 25, 10. For y I will not write y, so constants are written in x, that is 3, 2, and for constant I will write x coefficient of x and coefficient of y. So x upon this multiply by this, so I directly 2 10s are 20 minus 25 1s are 25. Y upon 25 2s are 50 minus 10 3s are 30. Over here 1 upon 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4. So the value of x is minus 5 over here, x upon 20, 1 upon minus 1. So when I will compare this with this, so x upon minus 5 is equal to 1 upon minus 1, minus minus cancel, 5 will go there, we have the value of x is equal to 5. Y upon 20 is equal to 1 upon, it will be minus 1, so x is equal to minus 20. So yx is equal to 5, and this was the easiest question in this exercise 5b. Okay, we need to solve this question by cross multiplication method. First of all, we need to see that the denominators we have variables, so we need to convert that denominator variables into the numerator. So let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So it will be 5a minus 4b plus 2 is equal to 0. And over here we have 2a plus 3b. Okay, plus 13 over here, this will come this side and become minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have the variable with a and b now. So I will take a, b and constant. I will find the value of a and b, then resubstitute to get the value of x. So for a I will not write a, so I will write minus 4 plus 3, okay, 2 minus 13. For b I will not write b, constant is written, so 5 upon 5 and 2 and minus 4 and 3. So a upon 3, minus minus become plus, 13 4s are 52 minus 3 2s are 6, b upon 2 2s are 4 minus 13 5s are 65, so it is minus 65 is equal to 1 upon 5 3s are 15 minus 4 2s are 8. So a upon it is 46 is equal to 1 upon it is 69 is equal to 1 upon 15 minus minus become plus and it is 23. So it is b upon. Okay. So the value of a upon 46 is compared with 1 upon 23. B upon 69 is compared with 1 upon 23. So 23 ones are 23 twos are 2 will go there. We have value of a is equal to 2. 23 ones are 23 threes are b is equal to 3. Okay. So resubstituting a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. So what is the value of a? It is 2 is equal to 1 upon x and b is 3 is equal to 1 upon y. So x is equal to 1 upon 2, x will go there, 2 will come here, y is equal to 1 upon 3, y will go there and 3 will come here. So the value of x is 1 upon 2 and value of y is 1 upon 3. Okay, it is same type of question, the only difference is we have some variables in the denominator. Okay, now we will start with the 12th question. Okay, so we have 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 7 and 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 70. Again we have variables in the denominator, so let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. So we will have a plus b plus 7 will come this side, become minus 7 is equal to 0. Over here 2a plus 3b minus 17 is equal to 0. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, so for a, for b and for constant. Okay, for a I will take b1 3 minus 7 minus 17. For b minus 7 minus 17 and a, that is 1 and 2. For constant a and b. Okay, so for a upon 17 ones are 17 minus 17 threes are 21. b 17 twos are 14 minus 17 ones are 17 is equal to 1 upon 1 threes are 3 minus 2. So a upon minus 17 plus 21, b upon minus 14 plus 17, 1 upon 1. So the a upon 17, 21 minus 17 it is 4, b upon 17 minus 14 it is 3 and 1. Okay, so a upon 4 is equal to 1, so a is equal to 4. B upon 3 is equal to 1, so b is equal to 3. Resubstituting, a is equal to 1 upon x and b is equal to 1 upon y. Okay, so what is a? A is 4, so 4 is equal to 1 upon x, so x is equal to 1 upon 4. B is 3, so 3 is equal to 1 upon y, so y is equal to 1 upon 3. So we have the value of x as 1 upon 4 and value of y as 1 upon 3. Okay, in the 13th question, again we have variables but x plus y and in form of x minus y. So I will take let 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So I will have 10a plus 2b plus 4 will come this side and become minus 4. This was my first equation. And 15a minus 5b plus 2 is equal to 0. So first a, then b, then constant. For a I will not take a, so I will take b. 2 minus 5 minus 4 2. For b I will not take b, so a is 10 and 15 and over here 2 and minus 4. Okay, so a upon 2 2s are 4 minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to b upon 15 4s is 60 minus 10 2s is 20. 1 upon 15 5s is 10 5s is 50 minus 15 2s is 30. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20, so it is a upon 4 plus 20, b upon 80 and 1 upon, again it is 80. Something is wrong over here, let me check out. For a, 2 and minus 5 minus 4 and 2. So 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are is 20. So 5 4s is 20, so it is plus 20 inside. And yes, so 4 minus plus 20 can be written as just 20. So it is minus 16. Okay, when I will compare it, so a upon minus 16 is equal to 1 upon minus 80. B upon minus 16 is equal to b upon minus 80 is equal to 1 upon minus 80. So minus minus cancel, 16 ones are 16 fives are, so a is equal to 1 upon 5, and this gets cancelled, it is 1, so b is equal to 1. Resubstituting a is equal to 1 upon x plus y and b is equal to 1 upon x minus y. So what is the value of a? A is 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y, and 1 is equal to, as b was 1. So this will go that side, x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. So again, I will take all this term this side, so I will have x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So for x, for y and for constant. For x I will write y terms plus and minus 1 and minus 5 and minus 1. For y, constant and x, that is 1 1, and for constant 1 1 and 1 and minus 1. So what is the value of x then? So value of x will be 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1, minus 5 minus 1, it is plus 5, is equal to y upon minus 5 minus 1. Okay, sorry, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon minus 1 minus 1 ones are 1. So it is x upon minus 6, y upon minus 5 plus 1, 1 upon minus 2. Okay, so x upon minus 6 is compared with 1 upon minus 2, and x upon minus 6 is compared with this, that is, sorry, x upon minus 6 is compared with this, and y upon minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4 is compared with 1 upon minus 2. Okay, so I'll just use this part to write the values. So minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 3s are, so x is equal to 3, and minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2 will go there, and y is equal to 2. Okay, so we have the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 for the 13th question of 5b. Okay, now we will start with the 14th question, and that is the last question of the 5b. Okay, after that we will have word problems. Let's see. So again we have x and y in the denominator, so I will assume let 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to b. So it is 5a minus 2b is equal to 1 upon 2. So 2 will go there and become 10a minus 4b is equal to 1. 1 will come this side. 10a minus 4b minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. And for this part we have 10a plus 2b is equal to 5 upon 2. 2 will go there and we have 20a plus 4b is equal to 5. 5 will come this side. We have 20a plus 4b minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. I will write one below the other so that it is easy for me to solve it. So it is 10a plus 4b minus 1 and 20a plus 4b minus 5. Okay. So for a I will take minus 4 plus 4 minus 1 minus 5. For b I will take a, and for constant I am having a and this is b. So a upon minus minus plus 5 4s are 20 minus 4 1s are 4, as this was minus and it is minus 4. B upon 20 1s are 20 minus 5 10s are 50. 1 upon 10 4s are 40 minus 4 2 4s are 8, that is minus 80. So it is a upon minus minus plus, so it is 24, b upon minus 20 plus 50, and 1 upon minus minus plus 40 plus 80 is 120. So I am having a upon 24 is equal to b upon 50 minus 20 is 30. So I need to check it again, am I correct or wrong? So 30, okay, fine. Then 1 upon 120. Okay, so after to find the value of x, so I am having a upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 120. 24 ones are 24 5s are. So I can say that value of a is 1 upon 5, and b upon 30 is again equal to 1 upon 120. 0 0 cancel, 3 ones are 3 4s are. So b is equal to 1 upon 4. Okay. Now resubstituting a is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 and b is equal to 1 upon y minus 1. So what is the value of a? 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus 1. B is 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon y minus 1. So this will go that side. So x plus 1 is equal to 5. So value of x is equal to minus 1 will go there, get subtracted. We have x is equal to 4, and over here y minus 1 is equal to 4. Minus 1 will go there, and we have value of y is equal to 5. So these were the 14 sum of 5b using cross multiplication method. Okay.